This is a pneumatic wire crimper. A quick overview of the crimper. This is a foot pedal that raises and lowers the jaw. This is a guard that protects the user and prevents debris from entering. These bolts underneath the cover are what allows you to change out the teeth. To exchange and remove the teeth, first remove these two lower bolts. Next, unscrew these two bolts that hold in the teeth. Next, carefully raise the jaws and pull out the teeth. Select a pair of jaws that you want to use next. Sometimes they're labeled A and B, and make sure the text is lined up in the proper direction. Here is how the foot pedal is set up. Remember, pressing the foot pedal causes the jaws to lift up, and releasing is what causes the jaws to close down. These two lines go into the crimper themselves, while this line feeds in from whatever air compressed source you have. This orange line feeds into an air compressor. Ignore the black line, that goes to something else. The recommended operational pressure for the crimper is between 0.5 and 0.7 megapascals. In terms of PSI, the lower end of that PSI is about 75 PSI.